What's up, guys? ITD here. So, our topic for today are the top 3 alternatives for Photoshop. So, let's get started. First is that can go canva.com. Here, you have to log in first, and then you can easily edit and also save your photos that you already edit here. We have here business cards, t-shirt, resume, brochure, invitation. There, as what I've said, you have to really log in. So I already logged in, and then let's try to edit. Here are my recent edits, my wallpaper. So here we can have some templates already. Canva will give you some or recommend some of the templates, like here in YouTube channel art. You can search photos. We have elements and some text like that. Upload. This is my recent upload. Okay, here some of the free video. Some of the photo here or template here is that uh, Canva Pro. They call it Canva Pro. And that's it. So our top two here is Autopia. Well, it's just like Photoshop. Yes, Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop in your computer, and here you can just edit like a pro, right? Here, for example, I want to use this tool. Like that. Also, you can save it as PSD, right? So you can edit it also in like software Photoshop. All right. And the third one is that Photojet.com. Here in Photojet, you can also has more features. You can try this YouTube thumbnail first. Try a Photojet also offers some template like that. You can also upload some photos. Also, text here is so good, right? So good. Like this comic style, right? So you can easily edit some text, or you have design what you want. There are so many fonts here, sample fonts here. Also, we have outline, glow, radius, width, blur, like that, right? So that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So here are the top 3: Autopia, Canva, and Photojet.